Welcome. This channel is an invitation to slow down, to feel, and to reconnect with the parts of yourself that often got lost in the noise of the everyday life. This channel isn't about just painting. It's for anyone who feels overwhelmed, disconnected, or wanting to feel more like themselves again. My name is Elena Le Claire, and healing through art is not just what I do, it is my mission. Here I share my life realizations, painting processes, art tutorials, art history and art discussions, intuitive techniques, not to chase perfection, but to help you slow down, reconnect with your inner world, and rediscover joy in the creative process. This is about creating not for results, but for expression, curiosity, wonder, and fun. Art has the power to calm the nervous system, unlock emotions, and remind us who we are beneath survival and noise. After many years in technology, I turned to painting as a way to heal, to reconnect with my inner child, creativity, and the sense of wonder. This sense of wonder and connection with my inner child has been lost for a very long time. Art became both homecoming and a transformation for me. My work is an exploration of light, emotion, and the invisible magic behind original figures, flowers, landscapes, and symbolic elements, images that exist between worlds, where the seen and unseen meet. They are not literal portraits or places. They are emotional landscapes, spaces designed to invite you inward into reflection, exploration, and feeling. Color is my primary language. I use luminous, expressive palettes to speak to emotion before thoughts. Allow the work to be experienced intuitively rather than intellectually. Each painting is built through layers, painted, textured, scraped, and revealed, just like healing itself. My brushstrokes carry energy, movement, presence, mirroring how identity, self-discovery, and transformation unfolds over the time. On this channel, we explore healing through art and creativity, the emotional and energetic benefits of owning original art, art history, composition, and meaning behind the paintings, mixed media techniques, painted tutorials, my personal insights and reflections on art as transformational force. This space is not just about perfection, it's about presence, about listening, about remembering who beneath the surface and survival patterns. I see my paintings as mirrors, gentle invitations to pause, to feel, and to be fully present. We are love, we are light, we are peace and beauty, even when we forget about it. My hope is whenever my work is viewed here, lived in private place, or simply witnessed for a moment, it continues to unfold, revealing new meaning over time. If you're drawn to art that speaks to the soul, to creativity as a path of healing, and to beauty that carries depth and truth, you are in the right place. Welcome.